Hello, this is Channel Learn Log, and in today's video, we are going to discuss another question of past paper of Cambridge IGCSE Mathematics, and this paper is of May-June 2021 attempt. And let's start it. First question I already did in the previous video, so I will provide the link of that in the description. Otherwise, this paper will be uploaded together also. The next question is the probability that train is late is 0.15. Write down the probability that train is not late. So in this, you apply one formula, that is probability is equal to probability of any event is equal to 1 minus probability of success is equal to 1 minus probability of failure. Failure means the train is late. Obviously, if train late, then it's the failure for it. It's the failure of event. So this is the formula that you have to memorize. Write down the probability that train is not late. It means train shouldn't be late. That's the success. So if we apply this formula, probability of success 1 minus and probability of failure is train being late. So it's 0.5. 1 minus 0.5, you get the answer 0.85, and that's the answer. So for further solution of this past paper, stay tuned and click the bell icon, subscribe the Learn Log so that you can see each and every question at first. And I will be uploading all lecture of physics, biology, chemistry, mathematics of Cambridge, Edexcel, IGCSE, everything. So you can find all things in one stop. And our platform is not like other website, so like giving you 7 days 14 days trial and then asking for payment. So this is obviously my right, so you do subscribe after watching it. So do subscribe. See you in next video. Bye.